So what to do if you're behind on your mortgage payment? The most important thing to know is that you still have options, and panic is usually what causes most people to lose them. I work with homeowners and lenders on the back end of this process, and my goal is always the same: to help people understand their options and to keep people in their homes whenever possible. People fall behind on their mortgages for a lot of reasons: job changes, medical issues, divorce, rising costs. It happens more often than people realize. Our motto is good things or bad things happen to good people. Being behind does not automatically mean foreclosure, and it does not mean that the situation is beyond repair. Most of the time, there is still room to work things out, especially if you act early. The biggest mistake that I see people make is doing nothing because they're afraid to answer their phone or afraid to open the mail. Ignoring your lender does not stop the process. It usually limits your options. Another mistake is assuming the worst based on things you read online. Every situation is different. Every timeline varies. And finally, be careful about calling random investors before you understand your actual options. Selling is not the first step for most people. Your first step is to contact your lender and ask about loss mitigation. Loss mitigation simply means programs designed to help borrowers get back on track. This can include things like temporary forbearance, repayment plans, or loan modifications. Lenders generally prefer helping people stay in their homes when it is possible. It's better for homeowners, better for neighborhoods, and better for the lender as well. If you're feeling overwhelmed, confused by the lenders, or not getting clear answers, this is when it can help to talk to someone who understands both the homeowner and the side of the lender in the process. The goal in the stage is clarity, not pressure, not rushing, and not assuming the outcome. A short sale is not the first option. It's a last resort when keeping the home is no longer realistic or healthy for the homeowner. When used appropriately, a short sale can be a structured, lender-approved way to exit a situation with less damage, but it should only be considered after home retention options have been explored. If you're behind on your mortgage payments, don't assume the ending has already been written. Start early, communicate, protect your options, and get good information before making big decisions. I've included additional resources below that explain these steps in more details.